Sethulwe ngokusemthethweni isikhumbuzo iCape Town Labour Corps Memorial njengoba bekukhunjulwa abasala empini yomhlaba wonke yokuqala eyenzeka eminyakeni eyikhulu eyedlule. Inkosazane uPrincess Anne wobukhosi bamaNgisi uthi lokhu kuyisikhumbuzo sokusebenzisana kwamazwe ayingxenye yalempi.
This memorial is a reminder of a shared but sometimes difficult past. And it's also a demonstration that with honesty, openness and working together we can make a difference.
Lesikhumbuzo silungisa amaphutha enziwa ngaphambilini okungahlonishwa kwalabantu abampisholo yohulumeni wengcindezelo.
In South Africa, there are a great number of memorials and history books relating to the First World War in Africa. And, you know, the presence of black South Africans is not hard to see, not easy to see, should I say. They're not particularly memorialized. Many graves were not marked of those that died. And their story is not accessible to the South African public or indeed the wider world.
Lesi sikhumbuzo sizoduduza imindeni njengoba isizokwazi ukuya kule ndawo ukuze izilele izihlobo zayo njengoba iningi labadlula emhlabeni lingafihlwanga ngesizotha.
It made us very proud. It made us very happy. Although it pained us on the other hand that the remains, we can't find the remains. But we're happy that at last we know exactly that he died in 1917.
Ikhomishana iCommonwealth War Graves ithi kubalekile ukuthi lenhlangano ilungise lapho okwabheda khona emlandweni wakuleli nokuthi iqhubeke nokukhumbula wonke umuntu owadlula emhlabeni ngaphandle kokukhetha ibala.